Now we shall do present continuous tense, past continuous tense and future continuous tense. First one is present continuous tense. And its structure is subject plus ismr plus v1 means first form of the verb plus ing plus object. For example, he is playing a game. An affirmative sentence. He is not playing a game. A negative sentence. Is he playing a game? An interrogative sentence. Is he not playing a game? A negative interrogative sentence. Now its uses. First one is, it shows what is happening now at the time of writing or speaking. I repeat, present continuous tense is used to show what is happening now at the time of writing or speaking. For example, Mohan is studying in his room, but his brother Shyam is playing in the garden. Next is, it is used to express an action which may not be actually going on at the time of speaking, but it is going on in general. For example, he is writing a book, geography. It means he is not writing now, but he is writing, right? Next is, it is used to express an action which is likely to happen in near future. For example, my brother is coming next month. Next is, it is used to express repeated happenings. For example, he is always losing his things. It is used to describe changing situations. For example, you are getting taller and taller day by day. Next is past continuous tense. And its structure is subject plus was were plus v1 plus ing plus object. For example, he was playing a game. An affirmative sentence. He was not playing a game. A negative sentence. Was he playing a game? An interrogative sentence. Was he not playing a game? A negative interrogative sentence. Now its uses. It is used to express an action which was continuing at some point of time in the past. I repeat, past continuous tense is used to express an action which was continuing at some point of time in the past. For example, the fire was burning when he came in. Next is, to express actions which were happening continuously in the past. For example, the dog was barking for the whole night. Next is, to express two or more actions happening simultaneously in the past. For example, while the whole family was watching the TV, Sahil was studying in his room. Next is future continuous tense. Next is future continuous tense, and the structure is subject plus will or shall plus be plus v1 plus ing plus object. An example is, he will be playing a game. An affirmative sentence. He will not be playing a game. A negative sentence. Will he be playing a game? An interrogative sentence. Will he not be playing a game? A negative interrogative sentence. Now its uses. It is used to express an action that will be in progress at a given point of time in future. I repeat, future continuous tense is used to express an action that will be in progress at a given point of time in future. Example, the teacher will be teaching when you reach the class. Next is, in the interrogative, the future continuous implies a polite request or query. For example, will you be coming with me?